Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Rebel the Biker Show. I am Rebel the Biker. Okay, so I was watching the Hodge twins. Um, you might know them as the conservative twins, but they showed something yesterday that I've known all along. Okay, this is not pro Black Lives Matter. This is not anything like that. But they showed a video of a driver for a company I used to work for called Western Express. And let me get this said, because it's burning a bridge that I will never cross again. Never. Okay, I will starve before I go work for that company. Okay. So, Welfare Express is a second chance trucking company, which means that most of their drivers have fucked up. When I worked for them, I had not fucked up. It's just a company out of Tennessee where I was from at the time. And most of their guys do drugs. Most of their guys, well, are lower in society, no matter what their race is. Okay, you got guys there that serve time. One guy I met there did serve time for murder and got out. A lot of them have served time for drugs. So, yeah, a lot of them are users. Okay? It is the dregs of society, of the trucking society, that no other company will touch. Okay? Run mostly East Coast. They do have and they run mostly east of the Mississippi. And they do have a section out in California along the West Coast. Flatbed goes everywhere. Drive-in is limited to those two regions. Okay, I think it's 6 states on the West Coast they run. Okay, so a little bit about the company. So, they released this dog on this guy, even though the officers told not to release the dog. Okay, big fuck up. Now, this is Ohio State Police. If you're in the trucking industry at any length of time, then you know about Ohio State Police. Okay, this being portrayed as a cops on black guy crime. It is not. It is cops on truck driver crime. Okay? Ohio State Police has a long history of entrapping truck drivers. Okay? They will bother you during your 10-hour break just to get you set in the driver's seat. Okay? Anything a truck driver does, Ohio State Police goes after you. Okay? Simple. Okay, and they go after you hard. They will bring you out of your truck at gunpoint for a civil traffic violation. I've experienced this. Over the years, they have gotten a little better, but my true belief is that they are after truck drivers. Okay? My true belief is they are trained after truck drivers. My true belief is when they go to the range, they have pictures of truck drivers hanging up there to shoot them. Okay? I'm actually surprised something like this hasn't hit the fan way before now. But it is what it is. Okay. So yeah, this shit's been going on for a lot of years, and like I said, this is a bridge I don't care to burn. I will completely burn to the fucking ground on both sides. Okay. So, Ohio State Police is wrong, like usual. Now, I want context as to why they brought him out of his truck at gunpoint. Why he had to put his hands up while the dog attacked him. I do want more context on that. I want to hear what they got to say. Because we know that they are crooked, shady, in Ohio. Okay? And it's a shame that takes something like this to bring it out. I've been screaming it for years, but nobody's been listening. So, we'll see what happens. You guys have a good one.